Children, here we are going to discuss about the paper pattern of SSC Science and Technology Part 1 and 2 and 9th Standard Science and Technology Part 1 and 2. The same pattern is following in 9th Standard also. This is of SSC examination paper pattern what we are following last year onwards. Total marks 40 and time 2 hours. Now here the question number 1 is choose the correct option and write its number for the following questions, that is of 5 marks. Here you can see the MCQ questions are coming, which is from the textbook, and here the options have been given A, B, C, D. Here you have to take care that when you are writing the answer you have to write the option number of the question, that is A, B, C or D. What is the option what you are choosing that you have to write. It is compulsory that you have to write the alphabet, because if you are not writing the alphabet and if you are writing the answer, you will not get the marks. If you are not writing the answer, writing the alphabet, you will get the marks. So that is a way you have to be very careful when you are writing this. You have to write the alphabet compulsory. Here for example I have written option A, B, C, D, and if you have the option answer, your option is A, you have to write the alphabet A first. If the answer is B, you have to write B. You are not supposed to write the answer itself. Without alphabet you will not get marks, so that you should be very careful about it. Now one more thing is that if you are writing a wrong alphabet first and then you are thinking the next one is correct, so suppose you are writing A and you are cancelling it and again you are writing B, you will not get the marks. So see that you are not cancelling it and writing the proper answer at first attempt only. Now the second question, question 1B, that is solve the following questions. This is of 1 mark question, objective type of questions you will get of 5 marks. It will be including fill in the blanks, write true or false, find the odd one out, form pairs or match the column, note the relationship between the first 2 words and suggest suitable words in the 4th place, name the following, define. All these type of 1 mark question will come in question number B, and you have to write the answer properly. Now the question number 2A, give scientific reasons. There will be 3 questions. Out of 3 questions you have to attempt any 2, which is of 2 marks each. Total 4 marks are there. And next is question 2B, that is solve the following questions, that is of any 3 out of 5 questions. 5 questions will be given, out of that you have to attempt 3, that is also 2 mark questions. Total 6 marks will be there. Next is question number 3, solve the following questions. You will get 8 questions. Out of 8 you have to attempt any 5, which is of 3 mark questions. Total 15 marks. Next is question number 4, solve the following question. Here you will get 2 questions. Out of this you have to write any one, which is of 5 marks. So you know that the 5 mark questions that we have already discussed in the class, you have to write 5 scientific points. For SSC children, those who are attempting SSC examination, please see that you are writing the answers in scientific points properly. Practice the papers according to that. And for 9th standard also you have to follow the same pattern, because you are going to write the board examination next year. So you have to write proper 5 scientific points if the question points are of 1 mark. If it is of half marks, maximum 10 points should be there. So this is the way the question paper pattern is said. Thank you, children.